by drawing two lines. One here, and we're gonna leave the same space on the top and on the bottom, okay? So the parrot is gonna go from here to here, and we're gonna leave always some room on the top and on the bottom, okay? These are just reference lines, so we don't press too hard with a pencil, okay? We just do it really soft and making it harder for you to see, but these are just reference lines that we are gonna erase later, okay? So we wanna do it really soft, okay? So basically on the parrot, okay, we're gonna do first like an oval, okay, for the head. And the oval is gonna be twisted like this way, okay? And then we're gonna do another oval that is gonna be bigger on the top and smaller on the bottom, and then another one that is gonna be almost like a sausage, okay? So I'm gonna show you here, okay? So our first oval, okay, is gonna come about this size, okay? That's the oval that we're gonna use for the drawing of the head and the neck, okay? And remember, it has to be kind of twisted, okay? Okay. So the second one is gonna be the line. You don't have to draw this line if you don't want to, but it helps you, okay, to align the oval, okay? And this is gonna be wider on the top, okay? And it's gonna be narrower on the bottom, okay? It's gonna be kind of like an, I don't know, it's not an egg, but something like this, okay? So right now is the moment, okay, for you to make sure like the proportions are right. So this part, okay, this oval, okay, it will
Gustavo, we can't see where you're pointing. You have to pull it towards you, to the left, towards you. If you're pointing at the picture, yes, thank you.
Here, this oval is gonna be like a kind of a 1.5 times. It's gonna fit here, okay? Which means if we measure this, okay, you see where it goes? And then half. You can do it by eye, pretty much, okay? But, you know, the proportion has to be like that. And then we're gonna do this other one. That, like I said, it's gonna be kind of like a sausage. Right here. All right. So this, I may do it a little, still a little wider. Okay. On the top. And if we got this already, okay. You see that I'm doing a lot of lines, and then maybe, you know, I'll erase and I choose the ones that I think I like, okay? If I need to make this like maybe bigger here, okay? Then I will erase. You see how many lines I did here? And then I said, yeah, I like this one, so I'm gonna kind of erase the ones that I don't need. So it's good to do a lot of lines, okay? It doesn't have to be like a one perfect line. No, we are sketching, okay? So it's perfectly fine to do many lines and to go over and like reshape a little bit more, make it bigger. This is a very important step, okay? Because here's where we got the proportions, okay? All right. Welcome back, Lori. So we did, so far we have this oval here, okay, for the head and the neck. We have this other oval for the body. And this other oval, okay, for the, we can make it even a little longer, even though we are a little bit above the line, that's okay. We still have room for the tail, for the feather, okay? So we have pretty much here the volume that we want, the shape, okay? And now we're gonna do the same thing for the flowers, like we did many times already, okay? So we have experience. So we're gonna do one here, the other one that is going to kind of overlap, okay? And the little one here, okay? And two little ones here. So if we have already all these circles, okay, we are ready to go a little further into detail, okay, little by little, okay? And we're gonna start from the head, okay? I'm gonna make the lines now a little bit harder, and that means darker for you to see, okay? So here we have the head, which we can use pretty much what we had on the oval, okay? And I'm gonna start erasing some of the lines so you can see, okay? And we have this line here and the pick, okay? Something like that, okay? Maybe we can make this a little bigger. And this one also a little bigger. And on the head, we're gonna do, we have the shape of the oval here. We're gonna do a little bit, you see that has like that amount of hair over there. So we're gonna add it, okay? And we are going to outline just this part. Good. So the next step will be the body, okay? And for the body, we're gonna kind of divide it, okay? Like in 3 parts, okay? We're gonna do the top group of feathers, okay? Something like this, right? Then another group of feathers, gonna be like this. And the third one here. Okay. So as far as the shape, okay, the only thing that we are going to do is, 1 second. You see that this part here is a little bit pumped out a little bit more, okay? And it's gonna go this line a little bit inside like this, okay? I'm gonna erase this line, but I'm gonna keep this one just as a reference, okay?
Gustavo, I'm really sorry. I got lost on that line. Got that line going into the flower. What did does this line just have to go in a little more here?
So put it away a little bit. Okay, this, it doesn't go out that much.
Okay.
This pretty much goes with the same shape of the oval, okay?
Okay. I changed that.
And then, so we have the oval here, and then this one goes out a little bit more, you see, for the this feather.
Okay. Okay. I think I got it. I think I got it. Thank you.
Cool. Okay, so we got this, okay? And then we're gonna go with another line here, which is gonna be for this feather over here, okay? And this little one here, which is gonna be for this red feather over there. Right? And we're gonna go all the way down, 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 and we're gonna make this really kind of thin on the bottom, okay? And this one is gonna come from here, and it's gonna do this inside. Okay? So we kind of have that, those two feathers drawn over there. Good. Let me see. Hold on. Move it away a little bit. Yeah. Much better. Mm-hmm. Good. That's good. Very good. So, on the other side, okay, we may need to go a little bit inside of what we had the oval, okay? So this part is like a little flatter than this other part, you see? And we're gonna bring this a little bit inside. And we're gonna kind of start drawing. You see that the shape is very irregular. You don't have to do it exactly, but we're gonna do, you know, some kind of shape like this, okay, for the feathers. So here, after we do this line here on the top, okay, we're gonna start drawing one feather at a time, okay? So this is gonna be shorter than this one. And you know, we're gonna make it longer up to the 1, 2, 3, fourth one, okay? And then we're gonna go shorter again. But we're gonna do this, we're gonna add these two feathers like sticking out of the body. So then the next set of feathers, we're gonna make like a big feather here, another one feather here, a smaller feather here, I'm gonna erase later so you can see them better, okay? The lines that I don't need, so let me see, Leah, how you doing? Very good. Very nice. Let me see, Sam. Wow. Very good. And Beth. You gotta add some feathers here, no? I think. I cannot unmute you.
I got a little crazy with what So we're in this space.
You can just add a couple big ones here, so it doesn't look too cut off. I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly as far as the feathers. There you go. Yeah. So if we got this, we're gonna go to the flowers, okay? And we're gonna do like a little circle around here, okay? And you're gonna do a few lines like this, okay? For the petals, right? For the next one, we're gonna make the circle here. And this tiny one, the circle is gonna be around here. Same thing with these little ones. So I'm gonna add also one here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some leaves here and there. Okay. Around the flowers, and we can make them like a different sizes, and also I see you twice, Beth.
Sammy's a tricker, I forgot to
I
tell
know.
you.
You see, I didn't know you had a twin sister. You know, they have to be like different sizes, pointing different ways. So since we're gonna have a long weekend, and you guys are gonna have a lot of time, you're gonna have to finish coloring it by yourself, okay? But you can use, I can post a picture. Leah, I think I have, hold on. I think I have your mom's phone number.
Yeah.
But can you give it to me again, just in case?
Okay. Do I give it to you in the chat?
Huh?
I'll give it to you in the chat.
Right, yeah. So I can send the picture. So you can use it for coloring it. And I'm gonna do the same for Beth. Okay, great. Okay, yeah. Let me where is it? Here, here. There you go. Okay. And I'm gonna also post it on the chat. Okay. There you go. Great. So, Leah, you can color it, and once it's done, take a picture and send it to me. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing for Sam and the reindeer. Okay, let me see. Very nice. Beth, you should take drawing classes. You're doing pretty good. Very good, Sam. Very nice. Let me see, Leah. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, very good. So for the background, you don't have to do all these little squares, okay? You just can paint like a sky or, you know, whatever you want, okay? Be creative. Have fun and enjoy your weekend. And I see you next week. And hold on one second. Okay. Next week is gonna be the last week of this session. But by next week, I'm gonna send you the schedule, the new schedule, okay? for the art classes. Okay. So if you have any questions, you have my.
Who won the art contest?
I'm gonna send the result this weekend. Okay. But it was beautiful. So
Can you show us all the pictures that were sent one day?
of course, yeah. Actually, I mean, we're going
Good,
to
I
have an
got
art
you.
exhibition at the JCC. What was that? Ah, okay, nice.
Different, pretty, look, nice bugs.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Crayons.
Nice.
Sammy, did you have fun? Do you want to color together, start online when we're finished? Me too.
Great.
Okay, well, here I go.
Have a good one.
You too. See you later.
See you.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Thank you.